Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn CSIT. In today's video, we'll discuss one of the most basic yet important topics from C programming, operators in C. Operators are special symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. Let's begin by listing all the types of operators in C. Types of operators. C language has a rich set of operators that can be classified as 1. Arithmetic operators, 2. Relational operators, 3. Logical operators, 4. Assignment operators, 5. Unary operators, 6. Conditional operators, 7. Bitwise operators, 8. Special operators. Now, let's explain any four of them one by one. 1. Arithmetic operators. These are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. Example: a plus b, a b, a asterisk b, a b, a percent b. 2. Relational operators. These are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, true or false. Examples include equals equals, equals, greater than equals, and less than equals. Example: if a greater than b checks whether a is greater than b. 3. Logical operators. Logical operators combine multiple conditions. Examples: and, or and, not. Example: if age greater than 18 and citizen equals 1 checks both conditions. 4. Bitwise operators. These work on bits instead of whole numbers. Examples: and, or xer, tilde not, less than left shift, greater than right shift. They are often used in low-level programming and system operations. Please subscribe for upcoming videos.